Hi, I'm Scrandy. I'm making this video because I've seen two people struggle on how to pack their follower mod into a folder without missing any files. It can be a little bit embarrassing to upload your mod to the Nexus and then seeing countless of comments on how your follower is all messed up in their game. So let me fix that for you. I've seen a lot of people use Joseph Russell's tutorial on how to create follower mods lately. And it's a great tutorial, don't get me wrong, it's just not finished yet. He didn't talk about how to pack the files into the data folder for people to upload, so let me teach it to you. So, here's all the stuff you will need: meshes, textures, scripts, sec, sound, and the ESP itself, of course. So, first things first, you can generate the FaceGen for your follower in the creation kit. Just click on your follower's NPC in Actor and press Ctrl F4. Then CK will ask you to transport it. Just click yes and boom, it's in your data folder. The FaceGenData will be in the form of textures, for the face and the NIF, the model of the face itself. You can copy-paste these folders directly, but a lot of people have huge load orders filled to the brim with mods. So I'm going to show you by creating the folders itself. Create the folders: meshes, actors, character, FaceGenData, FaceGeom, or however you call it. Copy-paste your ESP name into a folder and just go to these folders in your real data folder. Copy-paste the NIF files into your own data folder. Boom! Meshes are done! Now, do the same with textures. But be sure to do FaceTint instead of FaceGeom. ESP name once again and go to the real data folder. Copy-paste in your data folder and there you go, textures are done too! Just so you know, without these meshes and textures people will have the dark face bug. So it's important to have these. Now the scripts. Create the folder scripts in your own data folder. Then go to the real data folder to copy-paste your scripts into your data folder. It's easier to find your scripts with a prefix. Just type in your own prefix and copy all of them with Ctrl A. Then paste the scripts in your own scripts folder and there you go. Scripts are done. Next is the sec file. This one's kind of important too. The sec file makes it so that if you load in your save file, people can talk to your follower immediately without double loading, because that's kind of annoying. So just go to Xedit, load your mod in, right click and go all the way to Other. Click Generate Sec. And there you go. It can be found in Data, Sec and your follower ESP name. Copy paste in your real data folder and there you have the sec. Next is your follower's voice. Just create the folders called Sound, Voice, your ESP name again, and copy-paste all of your foost or WAV lib files into your own follower voice folder. Well, that's all really. Now it's time to pack it into a zip. I use Winrar, but you can also use 7-zip. Right-click, add to archive. Make sure to give it a fun name because people will see this one. Click the zip option and zip away. And that's all! Now you are ready to show your follower to the world of modding. I hope this was helpful to you all and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!